let's solve this question. Two ships start from the same port, one sailing due southeast and other sailing due southwest, both traveling at constant speed. The speeds of the latter being 7 km per hour greater than that of the former. If after 5 hours they are 65 kilometers apart, then the sum of their speeds would be, right? So first of all, in these type of question, please first of all draw the directions, right? So कोई भी गलती ना होने पाए इसके लिए आप सबसे पहले डायरेक्शंस को ड्रॉ करें ऐसी टाइप के क्वेश्चन. सो दिस इज ईस्ट, दिस इज वेस्ट and this is north and this is south. It is given that these two ships are going in, one is going in this direction southeast, right, and one is going in this direction southwest. So these two ships are going at 90 degree, or the path of these two ships would be at 90 degree, right? So let's just draw the figure. This is southeast direction. I'm assuming this direction to be southeast, and I'm assuming this direction to be southwest. This is southwest, right? It is given that the ship is traveling at a speed. This ship. I'm assuming that S1 is ship 1 is going in this direction southeast, and ship 2 is going in this direction. Also, it is given that speed of this second ship is 7 km per hour greater than the speed of first ship. So speed of this ship, I'm assuming it to be S1, I'm assuming it to be x kilometers per hour, right? So this is the speed. Now the speed of this second ship would be x plus 7 km per hour, right? Now it is given that after 5 hours they are 65 kilometers apart. So in 5 hours this ship has covered how much? 5x unit of distance, right? And this ship 2 has covered how much? 5 times x plus 7 units of distance, and they are 65 meters apart, right? This distance is given as 65 kilometers. Now it's a right angle triangle. We can think of some triplets, some Pythagorean triplets. We know this is 5 into x. We know this is 5 into x plus 7, and we know it is 5 into 13. So 13 is hypotenuse. I can think of Pythagorean triplet as 13, 5 and 12, because I know the difference would be 7, right? So clearly the value of this x would be how much? X would be 5, so that this x plus 7 becomes 12, right? So in 5 hours this ship has covered, or I have assumed the speed of this ship 1 as x now. So I got the speed as 5 km per hour, right? What is asked? Then the sum of their speeds would be sum of speeds would be x plus 7, which is equal to 2x plus 7, right? And I got the value of x as 5, so 5 into 10 plus 7 is 17. Correct answer is option C.